Don't sleep too late.
Time to sleep, little one. If we stay up too late, we'll feel sleepy and grumpy tomorrow. Let's put the toys away and give our eyes a good rest. Good night. Sleep tight.
Never eat detergent or soap.
Uh-oh, that's not candy. It may look colorful and fun, but soap and detergent are only for cleaning, not for eating. They can make your tummy really sick. Stay safe and always ask a grown-up.
Don't touch electrical outlets.
Zap! Electricity is powerful. Never touch plugs or outlets. It's not a toy, and it can hurt you badly. Always ask an adult for help. Stay safe, little explorer.
Wash your hands before eating.
Before we eat, we wash our hands. Look, there are tiny invisible germs. Let's scrub with soap and rinse with water. Now our hands are clean and ready for yummy food.
Don't eat too many candies.
Yummy candies are okay sometimes, but not too many. Sugar monsters love hiding in our teeth. Brush, brush, brush to keep your smile shiny and bright.
Don't take medicine without permission.
Wow, those pills look like candy. But wait, that's not for kids. Only mommy or daddy can give us medicine when we're sick. Let's stay safe and always ask first.
Don't play with fire.
Fire is hot and can be scary. Matches are not toys. If we play with fire, we can get hurt. Let's leave fire to grown-ups and stay far away.
Brush your teeth before bed.
Time for bed? Don't forget to brush, brush, brush. Sugar bugs love dirty teeth. Let's clean our smile and keep our teeth strong and happy.
Don't litter. Throw trash in the bin.
Oops! Don't drop trash on the ground. Trash belongs in the bin. Let's help our earth stay clean and green.
Don't run indoors.
Uh-oh. Running inside is not safe. We might trip or fall. Let's walk slowly and carefully in the house.
Turn off the tap.
Drip, drip, drip. Oh no, we forgot the water. Let's turn off the tap and save every drop. Water is precious.
Don't drink too many cold drinks.
Cold juice is tasty, but too much can hurt your throat. Let's enjoy warm drinks too and keep our body happy.
Don't eat too many sweets.
Candy and cake are yummy, but too many sweets can hurt our tummy. Let's eat a little and choose fruits and veggies too.
Don't sit too close to the TV.
Whoa, that's too close. Let's scoot back a little. Our eyes will feel better when we watch from far.
Don't use the phone too much.
Playing on the phone is fun, but the sun is calling us. Let's take a break and play outside with real toys and friends.